Hello to everyone. Today I would like to talk about what's happening in the sky in December, the final month of 2025. Starting with the major points that caught my attention. The retrograde motions of the generational planets in the water and earth signs, especially as they move through the final degrees, are giving us a significant message. In particular, the North Node, which represents the direction we are karmically meant to move toward in life, is currently in Pisces. At the same time, Saturn and Neptune are sitting side by side in the final degrees of Pisces, both in a stationary in S position. This is a very critical indicator. So, what does this mean? Saturn is a planet that changes signs every 2.5 years and progresses slowly and steadily. And Neptune, on the other hand, remains in the same sign for many years. The fact that both planets are visiting the final degrees of Pisces together and in a stationary position suggests that emotional uncertainties, confusion, and situations in which we have felt carried or dragged along may resurface. If we are obsessive, painful, or overly controlled situations from the past that we haven't been able to release, areas in which we have struggled to trust, surrender, or go with the flow, then toward the end of the year, the sky offers us a chance to revisit and transform these themes. This period can provide an opportunity to heal emotions that have been weighing on us or building up inside. Alongside the North Node, this alignment indicates that practicing forgiveness, accepting ourselves, and embracing life as it is could be beneficial for all of us. Instead of trying to control everything or picking the things apart, the sky encourages us to trust the process and surrender and allow life to unfold. It shows that a doorway may open for us to release old emotional burdens and heal ourselves before stepping into a new chapter. Adding to this energy, Uranus in Taurus and retrograde at 29th degrees forms a harmonious sextile with this area. This suggests increased emotional awareness, new insights, and changes in how we perceive the past. Our capacity to shift situations and emotions may become stronger. In short, before the year ends, there are opportunities to close old chapters and prepare for a fresh start. In 2026, major planetary shifts will move toward fire and air signs, bringing much more active and dynamic energy. Right now, for the very last time, we are experiencing these heavy, introspective energies in the earth and water signs in retrograde or stationary positions. We will not see this combination again for a long time. So before January 2026, This is essentially the last major retrograde, offering us the chance to close out the emotional and energetic leftovers from the past. So, when it's come to the sign by sign, who is most affected by these sky energies in December? Primarily the water and earth signs: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and also Virgo and Taurus. If you've been struggling to release certain situations, feeling stuck, or resisting changes you inwardly know would be good for you, this period may trigger those themes or bring meaningful shifts. And that's all for this video. I will be discussing the developments of 2026 in much more detail in the future videos. For now, that's it from me. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.